Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get someone Sea Beast ability using an easy method. First, you'll need to understand the initial steps. This powerful ability requires some preparation, so let's make sure you're ready. We'll cover finding the right quest giver and ensuring your character is strong enough to begin this exciting journey. It's simpler than you think. Once you've met the prerequisites, the next step is to engage with the challenge itself. This might involve defeating a formidable foe or completing a specific task. Remember to collect any unique drops or items that are essential for the ability. Finally, present these to the ability master, and your new Sea Beast power will be yours. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like. Quick recommendation. While you're busy conquering sea beasts, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum conquer your floors. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, so you can focus on your game. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. To make this process even easier, consider teaming up with friends. Working together can significantly reduce the difficulty of challenging fights. Don't forget to use any available buffs or potions to give yourself an edge. Mastering enemy movements will also help you conserve health and complete the task efficiently. These tips will smooth your path.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.